Long live the hard body. Well, I should say Nissan. This is a Nissan Frontier, an LE edition. You know what Nissan's reputation is. They are great trucks. This one right here is a nice one. It's got the rack on top, got the alloy wheels. There's the rack. Got the sweet running boards down on the bottom. Solid silver. Front and rear bumpers are all painted to match the same. You see Jeff's taking a few photos. Let's sneak inside here while he ain't looking. 2005 model. 118 on the miles. Looks like it's got an auxiliary input. That's nice for your cell phones, iPods, and different things. CD player. 4 full doors. And got the rear seat back there. Gauge, temperature gauge, it's really not 94, there's no way. Give us a holler at www.talontsons.com. Video, photos, credit applications, and more. Hiya very much.